Cologne is famous for its Roman Catholic cathedral. It is the largest Gothic church in Northern Europe and features immense twin towers that stand 157 meters tall. There are around 6 million visitors every year. Christmas time in Cologne is magical. The city is illuminated with festive Christmas lighting that bathes the streets in a warm glow. The market stands offer a wide spectrum of handcrafted gifts, festive delicacies and traditional Christmas decorations. The Christmas markets offer activities for young and old. Children can have fun on carousels and ice skating rinks. Welcome back to my channel Traveling MJ. Enjoy the video. In the German state of North Rhine-Westphalia and the fourth most populous city of Germany is the city of Cologne. Cologne Cathedral is a Roman Catholic, Gothic-style cathedral. It's one of the tallest church buildings and the world's tallest twin-spired church. The construction of the cathedral started in August 1248 and took over 600 years to complete. It was bombed 14 times during Second World War. Badly damaged, it nevertheless remained standing. The main entrance depicts the decoration and sculptures from the 19th century. The cathedral tower is 157 meters in height. The north tower is slightly bigger than the south tower. It has two aisles on either side, which help support one of the very highest Gothic vaults in the world. One of the cathedral's 8 bells, the St. Peter's bell, weighs 24 tons and is the largest of its kind in the world. In the Sacrament Chapel is the Mailander Madonna, a high Gothic carving, depicting the Blessed Virgin and the infant Jesus. The Gero crucifix, of around 965 to 970, is the oldest large sculpture of the crucified Christ north of the Alps. The altar of the patron saints of Cologne with an altarpiece by the international Gothic painter Stefan Lochner is in St. Mary's Chapel. The Shrine of the Three Kings is traditionally believed to hold the remains of the three wise men. The shrine takes the form of a large reliquary in the shape of a basilican church, made of bronze and silver, gilded and ornamented with architectonic details, figurative sculpture, enamels and gemstones. In 1996, the cathedral was added to the UNESCO World Heritage List of culturally important sites. Germany's most popular Christmas market is located directly in front of the magnificent backdrop of Cologne Cathedral. 4 million people enjoy the many local specialties and the unique atmosphere here every year. In the middle of Platz there is a huge Christmas tree. The 25-meter high coastal fir is one of the tallest natural Christmas trees in North Rhine-Westphalia. This is decorated with balls and stars and is followed by a light tent with around 50,000 LEDs. Up to 150 stalls and stands offer culinary variety, high-quality handicrafts and unusual gift ideas. From Cologne speculations to Domkloster to the Wimmeltasse, which is only available here, tourists and Cologne residents can take a piece of their favorite city home with them. Numerous events and hands-on activities on the central stage provide entertainment. An annual highlight are the sing-along concerts, Los Mehr Singe, with Stefan Nittler. Every year, little elves add a magical touch to Cologne's old town with the city's largest Christmas market. From woodcarvers to blacksmiths to confectioners, artisans from all over Europe are only too happy to showcase their skills. You can even watch many masters of their art live in action. A veritable paradise for anyone looking for unique gift ideas. Most of the artisans can be found in the Artisan Landway at Alter Markt. The market offers a wide range of specialty items, handicrafts and gifts. Its over 100 stalls are split into different themed landways and piazzas stretching across Alter Markt and Heumarkt. Every year, arguably Germany's finest open-air ice rink thrills skaters from all over the world. Set amongst the magical atmosphere of the Christmas market, its more than 100 meters long straights and circumnavigation of the imposing horseman statue are a source of ice skating enjoyment for young and old. The rink always remains open well into January. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more travel related videos.